What's up, guys? Welcome to beautiful San Diego, California. And today we're going to show you a few things you can do in this beautiful city.
And if you're new here, we do traveling and DIY videos. So don't forget to like and subscribe to not miss any other adventures and tips. And now let's go see this beautiful city. But first, here's a preview of what you're about to see.
The Coronado Hotel is the main attraction here in the island, as it's been here for a long time.
And it's right next to the beach, which is nice for a beautiful sunset or for a bonfire. And during the summer, a lot of beachgoers come here for a nice beach day. Lots of things to do here, but let's go check out the hotel.
Outside the hotel, you might find some attractions and occasionally some musicians. And during the winter days, you can come do some ice skating.
Seaport Village is another good place to be, lots of things to do. We are here in December and all the Christmas spirit was all around. And the famous Christmas boat parade was going on today. Let's check it out.
It was really great to be here during Christmas time. And inside or outside the marina, you can find some pretty interesting things to do. And when you get hungry, Miguel's Cocina is a great place to be.
And here in the marina is where the cruise ship will dock, in case you came here in a cruise.
Also on the side of this island, you'll find Silver Strand State Beach. This is a people's favorite during the summer. The strand is right next to the beach for a good time.
San Diego Zoo and Safari Park are the main attractions here in San Diego. Make sure to watch our other video on tips how to visit San Diego Zoo. And look at that, guys. Now I know what my teacher means when she says, eat the books.
And check out this majestic creature.
And before you leave, check out these other two videos on cool spots around California and the world.
Alright guys, if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe to help this channel grow, to make more videos like this.
It's free and it will tremendously help our channel grow. Alright guys, hope you guys enjoyed this video.
Joe's Bros,
We out.
Bye bye, brother. See you next video.